Can you say mama?
Mama.
Finally. Kaden, say mama.
Mama.
Not you. You say Aunt Donna. No. Say Aunt Donna. Kaden, say mommy.
Mama.
Say mommy. No, not dada. Say mama. Say mama. Get your big head out of the way, boy. Say mommy.
Mama.
Good boy. Now say, what's that? Say, what's that? No. Ooh, that face. Say, what's that? Yeah? Say, what's that?